All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol IDEX, Ideanomics Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. The first thing is, if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. If you liked this video, hit the like button for me, letting me know you watched it and you enjoyed it and you found it helpful. And comment down below any feedback or anything you would like to piggyback off of what I state here, or any other news that I may have overlooked. You're more than welcome to share that with us, all the viewers and all the investors that are watching. Another thing as well, I would like to announce to all the spectators, anybody that's viewing and spectating, your chance to start participating is now. You can hit the subscribe button so you can get notified when I post a video, because I post daily content, and I'm sure you'll definitely enjoy this video. And if you did, there's going to be many more on the way, right? Another thing too, hit the like button to let me know you watched it and you liked it, and share this with your friends and community. And you're more than welcome to comment as well. So let's jump in on this one. So what happened here was the support level was torn apart, right? Just completely torn through. It was a close one, and obviously, yeah, the Bears took advantage on how close it was to the 50-day moving average at this point, and they just brought this one down. Bulls try to reappear, but that wasn't strong enough. They were trying to cause what they did here before, right? They were trying to create that U shape to bring it back up, but quickly the Bears gained on them and destroyed them once again. This had a very bearish run, but they came back up after hours at some point, and then it just crashed back. It leveled itself out, and then it just crashed back down to about $2.17. So yeah, this was at 4 p.m. when it closed, and it was leveling itself out, and it came back up a little bit, and then it just got torn through on this chart here. So this is something we'll definitely want to keep a close eye on for the next coming days. And honestly, the week is about to end, and we'll see how this one goes for tomorrow. Because then we're left with waiting until after the weekend, right? So there's some key things here. The first thing is the 50-day moving average slightly intersects, right, with the current resistance point and resistance level. So that's very interesting to see. Obviously, this is the resistance level that needs to be broken, and that's exactly the 50-day moving average. So what's going on here is it closed out at 217, right? And the support level right now, based off of the chart, is 211. And honestly, you got to go even further, and you're looking at a position where this was where it started to go up. So what do we have to do here? We got to pay very, very close attention, because this closed out 7 cents above the last rally, right? Which is when this all started, and the Bulls had a run. They brought this one up to almost $4. So we're back here to square one on this position, right? Because if we go further, we'll see other moments of consolidation. But this is important because this is a true support level to know whether this has an opportunity to turn back around, or is this going to continue tearing down throughout tomorrow and maybe even Monday. That is something to keep a close eye on. If you want to look back that far into the chart, that is something that is significant to me, that if this is crossed, right, by the Bears 211, definitely want to keep a close eye on this price and on the price of the ticker as it's going. And I'm not saying that if it does get torn through, right, and it falls down here, and it was to fall even lower, we're talking like 199. I have no access to anymore, but let's just say it just keeps falling 170, 180. I'm not saying that the Bears tore this one completely apart and this chart is completely destroyed, but that is something to keep a very close eye on, because that is a very important support level. This isn't just any support level. This is where the rally started last time, and that's something that can really tell us what is going on with the stock. How bearish is it going to continue to be? Another thing too, we have the 50-day moving average way up here. The further away this stock gets from the 50-day moving average, the more in control the bears are. So those are some things to keep in mind. This is one to really keep a close eye on. Remember, the resistance level to be broken is the 50-day moving average, which is 278. That is a key indicator that the bulls are gaining control again. And if they do, they're doing two things at once. They broke through the resistance level and they broke through the 50-day moving average, changing this chart from bearish to bullish. And they'll have to use that as support to continue breaking through resistance levels. We'll have to keep a close eye on this one, like I stated. And just remember that. Remember the support level, the price that it closed out at 8 p.m. after market hours, 217, and just have to see how this one plays out tomorrow.